Have you ever wondered who predicts cyclones, monsoons, heat waves, or heavy rainfall? Who provides weather forecasts that help farmers, airlines, shipping companies, and even governments make important decisions? The answer is meteorologist. Today, let's explore one of the most overlooked yet highly important careers in India and around the world, meteorology, also known as weather science. Hello, everyone. This is Priyanka B from Career Guidance India YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss a lesser known career that many students are not aware of. When students think about science careers, they often consider engineering, medicine, biotechnology, and data science. But very few students only explore meteorology, a field that studies weather, climate, and atmospheric conditions. Let's understand this exciting career step by step. So, what is meteorology? It is the scientific study of weather, climate, atmosphere, rainfall patterns, cyclones, and climate change. Meteorologists use scientific instruments, computer models, satellite data, and atmospheric research to predict weather conditions. Their work helps protect lives, agriculture, transportation, and the economy. So imagine a world without weather forecasting. People would not know when a cyclone is approaching, when floods may occur, whether flights can operate safely, or when farmers should sow crops. Meteorologists provide critical information that affects millions of people every day. So, what are all the major career roles in meteorology? So, first one, meteorologist. So, meteorologists analyze weather data, predict the weather conditions, study about atmospheric changes, and prepare weather reports. They help governments and industries to make weather related decisions. Second one, weather forecaster. So, they interpret weather models, issue forecast, predict storms and rainfall, warn communities about severe weather. You can often see their work in weather news updates. Third one, climate scientist. So they study about long-term climate trends, global warming, climate change impacts, environmental sustainability. Their research helps the government to create climate policy. Fourth one, atmospheric research scientist. They conduct advanced research on atmospheric process, air pollution, cloud formation, and extreme weather events. Fifth one, aviation meteorologist. So, aviation meteorologists provide weather information for airports, airlines, and pilots. Their forecast help ensure whether flight is safety or not. Sixth one, which is last one, agricultural meteorologist. So they help farmers by providing information about rainfall, temperature, drought conditions, and crop planning. This field is becoming increasingly important in India. After 12th, science like physics, chemistry, and maths, you can study for the meteorology subject, and also students can pursue undergraduate degrees like BSc Physics, BSc Meteorology, BSc Atmospheric Science, BSc Mathematics, and BTech Atmospheric Science. In postgraduate degrees, you can opt for MSc Meteorology, MSc Atmospheric Science, MSc Climate Science, MTech Atmospheric Technology. So, meteorology offers excellent government career opportunities that many have not been knowing about it. So, major recruiters include India Meteorological Department, Indian Space Research Organization, National Center for Medium Range Weather Forecasting, Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, State Disaster of Management Departments. Meteorologists are also needed in aviation companies, renewable energy firms, environmental consulting companies, climate technology startups, insurance companies, and agriculture technology firms. Now, let's discuss the important question: does meteorology have a future? The answer is yes. Demand is increasing because governments need experts to understand and manage the climate risk. Cyclones, floods, and heat waves are increasing worldwide. Growing aviation sectors require accurate weather forecasting. Farmers increasingly depend on weather based decisions. Solar and wind energy projects require weather analysis. So, career growth may include meteorologist, senior forecaster, climate scientist, research scientist, weather consultant, atmospheric research director. So, highly specialized professionals can work internationally with research organizations, weather agencies, and climate institutions. So, meteorology is not a shortcut career. So, students need strong physics knowledge, mathematics skills, computer and data analysis abilities, scientific curiosity. If you dislike science and data analysis, this field may not be suitable for you. Choose this field if you enjoy physics and mathematics, if you are interested in weather and climate, if you like scientific research, if you want government or research careers, if you are passionate about environmental issues. Meteorology is one of India's most underrated career fields. As climate change, disaster management, aviation, agriculture, and renewable energy continue to grow, meteorologists will become increasingly important. For students who love science and want to contribute to society through research and forecasting, meteorology can be an excellent career choice in 2026 and beyond. If you enjoy learning about this hidden career option, subscribe to Career Guidance India by Priyanka B. Comment below and tell me which lesser known career you would like me to explain next. If you need personalized career guidance, you can find my career guidance form link in the description. Let's move forward with clarity today and confidence tomorrow. Thank you for watching.